Envision is a professional services firm. We provide high-quality language services, information management and technology, and security assurance services, primarily to the federal government and commercial entities. When we enlisted Outsource IT, we were about a $3 million firm and rapidly grew to about $7.8 million for 2008, and for 2009 we expect to be at about $32 million. We enlisted Outsource at the front end anticipating this growth, and Outsource has been side by side with us every step of the way to advise our IT investments, to advise on the types of software, the types of equipment that we would buy and deploy. Outsource IT was quite different from the experience we had prior to Outsource coming on board. Many organizations may not have experts to know how to utilize the software and to navigate through the minefield of problems and troubleshooting. They had subject matter experts in various areas of the entire network administration and network management that really suited themselves well to our needs here at Envision. They were more sophisticated, more complex in their means of delivery of service, and had tools, specialized and customized agents that could manage our network remotely. Our folks many times are supporting very, very important and even critical programs. It's paramount that we provide a level of safeguarding and security for the information that they transmit on our network. I've been very pleased with the level of support that Outsource has provided to Envision. They have been responsive and high quality. Their personnel has been very professional, and they've integrated themselves into the Envision culture and the fabric of our organization. They have in fact become a member of our team and represent our IT department well.